a look at accidentals. How do they work? Well, accidentals are sharps, flats, or naturals. So sharps kind of look like the hashtag or the pound, as they say it, or the hash. The flat is like a little B, and then the natural is kind of, well, looks like a natural. Let's have a look. So here, for example, and I can't zoom in, here is a natural sign, here is a sharp sign, and there is the flat sign. Okay, now how do they work on the keyboard? So basically we have what we call our white notes and our black notes. Our white notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We have our black notes. Now, the black notes are generally what we call either the sharps or the flats. However, there is exceptions to the rule, but in year 10 they are just known as the sharps or the flat notes. So, for example, I have D. Now we know D is because it has two ears, but it has two black notes on either side, not three, it has two. So, and then D is in the middle. So D for donkey. So there's the two ears, and there is D. Now, here in this note here, there is a D, there's a D sharp, so it's going up, but then a D flat is going down. So, for example, here then are your sharps. C, whoops, that's flats. Here are your sharps. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and then E. Now, these are also flats. So here's D here, this is D flat, C. So D flat, D, D sharp. Now also that these notes, these black notes, are dependent on how they work with an association to understanding where they are on the flats. So if we go to flats, we have D flat, and then we have an E flat. So it's C, D flat, E, E flat, and E. So there are two different names for the same note when it comes to a black note. So here is D flat, but it is also C sharp. Sounds the same, but they're written differently. So there's C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. However, if we go to flats, it's C, D flat, D, E flat, E. So it's dependent if the note is going down from the original note. So here's D is the original note, it's going down, it's a flat. Or if it's going up from the original note. So there's C and there is C sharp. Alright. So now, what do they look like on the stave? So here is, for example, the note G. There is G sharp, and that is A flat. Now they sound exactly the same, however they are written differently. So that's a G sharp, and there is an E flat. So hopefully that makes a bit of sense. If not, then we'll go through it again in classroom. So good luck in trying to complete the work that needs to be done. Ka kite.